Multiplication and division of numbers in standard form. In multiplication and division of numbers in standard form, it is better to not involve the expanded form because of the difficulties in handling such numbers. When multiplying two numbers in the standard form, the numerical parts before the powers of 10 multiply while indices that show the powers of 10 add to each other. In symbols, we have the following shown on screen. All corrections derived from the fact that AB may be greater than 10 are made after writing the result of operation in the previous form. For example, if x equals 3.24 times 10 to the power of 5 and y equals 5.42 times 10 to the power of 8, when multiplying them, we obtain the following shown on screen. A similar procedure is also used in the division of numbers written in the standard form. Thus, in this operation the numerical parts before powers of 10 divide while the powers of 10 are subtracted. For example, if a equals 4.29 times 10 to the power of 7 and b equals 3.010 to the power of 4, for the result of division between them, we have the following shown on screen. Example. Calculate a 8.62 times 10 to the power of 9, 7.5 times 10 to the power of 13, b 1.31 times 10 to the power of 8, divided by 6.55 times 10 to the power of 3. Solution. A. We have the following as shown on screen. B. We have the following as shown on screen. That is all for lesson 7.3.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 7.3.5, Very Big and Very Small Numbers. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.